Ball? Get mommy a ball? Ball? Can you say, that's right, you throw the ball. Yay! Can you show me your belly button? It's another ball. Where's your belly button? You looking for another ball? Find mommy a ball? Where'd your ball come? Can show mama your belly button. Hey. Where's your belly button? Are we done?
Ooh.
Mm-hmm. Where's your nose, honey?
Huh?
Can you show mama where your nose is? What do you see out there? What do you see out there? Can you get down? Could you show mama where your belly button is? Where's your belly button? Belly button? Where's your belly button? Oh, mommy knows where her belly button is. I know where mine is. Where's yours? Where's your belly button? Yes, that's mommy's belly button. Where's your belly button? Mommy's belly button's more fun. What you doing? You got it. All right. Press the button. Press the button. Is it not working, honey? Is the button not working? Press the button. Press the red button. That's right. Press it. Press it hard. Mommy, help. Yay! Do it again. You gotta use your whole hand to press the button, honey. Use your whole hand. Press it. All right! Wow! Uh-huh. Can you get it on there again? All right. Do it again. Is that fun? You're all boys. Can you say bye-bye? Can you wave bye-bye? Say bye-bye. No? Okay.